Hello my friends, welcome. Today these works weren't planned in my day, but sometimes happens. So today we'll be learning on how to clean the siphon for making sure that the water of the évier is getting out, because for the moment I have a kind of serious problem. The évier is quite full of water, so for this reason I will foresee 2 buckets for emptying the water. For making a long story short, here the water, it's blocked and everything will happen here on this very place. First of all, we'll have to make some space below this piece here. So now I will open this piece here and the water will pour out. Okay, now we've unlocked the siphon and there's no more water in the évier. So now we'll be cleaning this siphon. Very important, the joint. Don't leave it aside. So now I'm on free ride. There's no water pipe. Voilà. I like to take classical vinegar. It's very good to ungrease everything. So you will see this use of vinegar also on my very nice video about the lamp I put on the ceiling I bought on the market, on the flea market. Okay. Always very important, the joints or the washers. So now I'm closing this one again, and we have to make sure that the joints are well placed. That's the most important thing in this manipulation, which is quite easy. Okay. Donc ça, c'est très important. Je replace le siphon. Et maintenant on vérifie. Je fais couler l'eau en haut. So we don't see any water pouring out. So this means that it's okay. Problem fixed. So now I'm cleaning the rest of the water, because that's very common with plumbing. You need to have some water around. A good occasion for cleaning the hole. So now I'm putting back the thing I removed at the beginning, which I can clean also. Checking if everything is okay. Yes, it doesn't move. Perfect. Now we can again use the water as usual. So finally, a very common move. What a great pleasure to do this very simple gesture of filling your glass with water. Behind this glass of water there is a lot of work because first of all the water needs to be collected, then it needs to be treated, and this is quite complex, and then it has to be brought back to the houses. So this gives me naturally the opportunity for thanking the women and the men working in water companies and used water treatment stations. They are working with a great humility and they are putting together a lot of competencies. I have to thank especially now the water companies I'm depending from, meaning Evacuation and Disassemble. But I have to say that in the overall, I have always been well served with water in all the European cities I lived in: Madrid, Berlin, Paris, Marseille. So many thanks to all of you guys, and definitely water should be a common good on which it shouldn't be possible to make some profits. Before ending, let me remind you that I also made a video about how to unblock your bathtub or your toilets. In the meanwhile, I hope that you found this video useful and that you liked it. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.